Later we need to connect this one. So here I will paste that configuration, whatever we done here, everything is good here. And after that, what I will do here, I will go to another router here, R6, and then configuration, enable config T host name R6, and then interface F0 by 0. I will write here IP address 192.168.56.2 255.255.255.0. then we write no shut, and you have another interface that is F0 by 1, no shut, no IP address. Okay, and here whatever the configuration I wrote, we can paste this one here. This is the sub interface we done. Okay, clear, right? And then we can write router, not router, RIP we need to do here. And here also router RIP version 2, no auto, summary, network. Then we need to write 192.168.50.0 and network 192.168.60.0. and you need to configure IP DHCP pool for VLAN 50. I think we have 50, or let me copy and paste and we can modify. This is for 50, VLAN 50 we have here. Yeah, this should be 50, this should be 50, and you have VLAN 60 here, 60, 60, 60, here 50, 50, here 60, 60. Okay, I will copy this thing from here to here and we will paste in this router. Let's go here and go here, and I can paste here. And we need to check everything is good. Maybe sometime we have some issue here. So what I need to do, I need to check here. But I think everything is, again what? Again you, yeah, what you are saying? Yeah, this one is 1 to 10. We can reserve 1 to 10. Yeah, that is. Yeah, because I am using 1, so I am saying don't use 1 till 10. Later in future I will use 60.2 till 60.10. No, this one what we are saying that IP DHCP, do not use this IP, do not give this IP from here to any PC. So they should not give this also, because already we use here. So our DHCP server should not give this IP to our computer. That's why we are saying don't give this one. IP DHCP exclude address means don't give this address to anyone. After that we can go here and check here, we will get the IP or not from there. Let's see. We are not getting, so something wrong maybe. Yeah, what is wrong means we did not configure here VLAN. And here we can check we are getting the root or not here. Here I can say Control Z, I can save configuration, I can write show IP root, and still here also we are not getting any root here. Did we enable here show IP protocol? Here we have RIP, here we configure RIP, show IP OSPF, show IP root RIP, show run. Which RIP version we are using? RIP version 2 we are using here, router RIP version 2, and here no auto summary. Okay, and here we configure RIP show IP root, And here what else we need to do in this switch, let me do here configuration, and we will see maybe RIP will not support sub interface, I think, because nowadays no one is using RIP, so we can use other routing protocol, but anyhow we will cross check that one later. Now we can do the switch configuration. This is the switch 1, 2, I think this is switch 3 configuration. Enable config T host name SW3, and here interface F0/5. We need to write switch port mode trunk, then and we need to create the VLAN 50, name ABC, VLAN 60, name XYZ, and now interface range F0/2-3 or 1. What is that one here? 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. From here 1 and 2 we can write here switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, and interface range F0/3-4, switch port, yeah I will correct, sorry, yes, here should be 50, there should be 60 here. So this we can paste here and we can check here. Everything is working good here. I can save here, and now we can check here our machine can get the IP. We can do the fast forward and then check here our machine can get the IP. So yes, 15.11, because we told give the IP from 11, so they are giving from 11 to 12. Here I will do 60.11, and here if you see 60.12, so that one is working. Now we need to check only RIP, show IP root RIP, show IP root. Here only we are not getting the root, so we need to check here. I advertise the RIP here correctly. Where is the notepad? Here I will save this one, and here if you see I have this sub interface 50.1 and 60.1. Let me check, do we have show IP interface brief? So we have sub interface also. So RIP, I advertise that in the RIP. Okay, here I forget to advertise this interface, right? We need to advertise this one also, so that's why maybe it is not working. So I will write here network, this one should be 0. Okay, so let me advertise this again in this router. That's why maybe it is not working. So let me paste here and then save the configuration. Right here show IP root, show run. We need to check what is the RIP configuration we configure here. Yeah, 50, 60, 56. Show IP root. Here I advertise, I can save here, I can go here, I can check here. Yeah, now RIP is coming. So RIP is also supporting, okay, for sub interface. So VLAN 50, VLAN 60. So everything is working here. Now we need to check how we can connect. So imagine this is separate independent company. Later your company manager, your CEO purchased this company and they want to connect from here to here. Okay, so configuration, everything is good here. If you see, I will add this, I will save this. Here why RIP is not coming before? Because I forget to add this network here, this one inside the RIP. That's why you don't have RIP root here. After adding that one, you are getting the RIP here and here. You can write here show IP root RIP. Okay, you are getting the RIP network here. So everything is good here. Now we need to connect from this side to this side.